What's up, y'all, and welcome back to another Walmart video. Walmart, and especially their sustainable line, Free Assembly, have some awesome basics, so I thought I would change things up a bit and see if we can take a few key pieces and see just how many stylings we can come up with. So thank you so much, Walmart, for sponsoring this video. Now, I've been looking, and most of these types of videos have 30, maybe 40 outfits, but if you watch me, then you already know most of my videos are mini capsule wardrobe looks. So I already knew y'all are not going to be impressed with no 30 plus outfits. In this video, there are over 100 casual stylings using, yes, just 15 pieces. I can't even believe that much styling has gone down around here. This video is gonna go fast, so let's get into it. Okay, so I started out with 5 bottom pieces for me that I know I'm gonna use in heavy rotation all summer long, but this is your wardrobe, your style, do what you want. All right, and we are starting out with the basics of all foundation pieces, the white tee. This is a fitted basic white tee. Obviously, this is a wardrobe starter. So whether you prefer it like this, a bit more on the fitted side, or whether you like a more oversized look, I did show this one in my last video. It's a ribbed crew neck, and this does come in about 8 other neutral colors, including some stripes. Now this does fit true to size. I'm wearing it in my normal size medium, and the best part is it's only $12, y'all. I'm wearing the tee with just a favorite pair of Walmart sneakers, and then with my button-up denim shirt that I'm wearing a little bit more like a shacket. But if denim isn't your thing, maybe that's a crop jacket or a white button down. And then I'm also pairing it with my favorite neutral grandpa cardigan. Maybe for you though, this is more of a fitted cardi, like one of my very favorites from Time and True. Now I love crisp white shorts for a white on white look with this tee. Whether you're wearing a favorite sneaker, sandal, or even a heel, I think this is a classic look. These are from Free Assembly in my normal size 6. They are 98% organic cotton with 2% spandex. They do have a rolled cuff with a straight fit. This is a no frills, no distressing shorts, and I just love the fit on these. It also comes in 2 other denim colors and a couple of solids. Okay, so yes, I did choose a wide leg casual bottom as my next option, but I did want to share this with you in case you're more of a black trouser wearer, that a casual black pant could easily be switched out for any of these bottoms. This top really is so versatile in any of the colors. Because of the classic crew neck and the rib detail, you could also dress this up with a heel for the office, throw on a blazer, or feel free to wear it with some sneakers for a more casual look. Next, wearing the darker wide leg denim with the tee just by itself. I love the dark denim with brown, so I did choose brown accessories for a lot of the video to make a more neutral palette that I can wear with just about anything this summer. The sandals and bag are also from Walmart. For me, another pair of shorts in Texas that meets me right as I'm living, but if you're still getting cooler weather, try a basic black legging or even a denim skirt instead. The slide sandals that I'm wearing are a woven fabrication with a platform bottom. I think these may only be available in store right now at Walmart, but they are really comfortable and they go with just about anything. Okay, let's be real. White pants can be hard, but these were a perfect fit for me, but maybe you prefer a traditional trouser style instead. Anything goes, just really concentrate on wearing what feels most comfortable for you. Finding those essential basics that fit your body and style is the jumping off point to any good wardrobe. Up next, a great tank. Everyone needs one. I did choose a blue color palette to work with my essentials for summer because it's really being seen everywhere right now. Normally at the beginning of the season, I choose 1 or 2 colors that are my accent color of the season. This is a great hack to make your wardrobe budget really stretch. For those of us on a budget or micro budget, it really is the only way to add versatility and build the wardrobe you want, and always actually is something in your closet that you want to wear. This top is a ribbed sweater knit made of cotton and polyester blend. It has a nice light weight, which makes it perfect to pair with shorts, and it is a bit more on the fitted side than oversized. I'm wearing my normal size medium though, and a few things that I love about this top: it has nice wide shoulders so I can wear a normal bra with it. It does have a full back, which makes it great for the office if you're taking off a jacket or if you don't like those more racer back styles. It also has a high neck, which isn't quite a mock turtleneck, but it's definitely more than a regular crew neck. This is a very elevated tank style for under 20 bucks. I think the white pants look great with this blue tone. I can definitely see this throughout the summer with a white sandal like the one I have on here, or even throwing this on with a sneaker. You can layer this up for now and head right into next fall with it. These free assembly jeans are my new favorite straight, totally casual jean, made of an organic cotton with a smidge of spandex. This is a true 90s style straight leg. It's very on trend right now. But if you want to exchange that core wardrobe piece for your go-to skinny jean, that is a perfect alternative here. I will link one or two of my favorites below as well. These bad boys go in and out of stock. They immediately sell out, so be sure to follow me over on Instagram because I will post it as soon as I get an alert and post it to my Instagram stories. Now, the white shorts with my white sandals from Walmart are a great combo, but I could also see this top with khaki, navy, or even some black shorts. I know this is going to be a go-to look for me all summer long. Now, I love the blue with, yes, even more blue, especially this particular denim color. It just really goes with everything. I'm wearing a heel just to dress it up, but this would look just as good with a short block heel or even a flat sandal. Now, I wouldn't really pair this with a sneaker just because these pants do really dress up the top. And it's just so easy to switch it up with black for a totally different look if that's more of your style than white or even the jeans. I could even see this with a black blazer. There's also one that I love from Walmart for an easy office look, so I'll be sure to link that one below as well. I also wanted to mention a great alternate to the tank sweater or the light blue is to change it up with this navy flutter sleeve. Sleeves of all kind are very popular, and we're really seeing that hold up through summer fashion. This one is lightweight. It also has that rib texture to it. It is a sweater tee made of 100% cotton, and I'm also wearing this one in my normal size, medium. This one is only 20 bucks. It also comes in a cream, a light olive, as well as a neutral pink, and it's something that you can wear from the office to a night out, and then you could throw it right back on with your favorite shorts, and the fit on this I think is extremely flattering. Next up to the top I have on a denim long sleeve button down. In my mind, that is a wardrobe essential. You can wear it with just about anything layered up, but you can also wear it alone as a shirt. I'm wearing it here with shorts just tied up around my waist, or you can do the one tuck. This is a super casual way to wear this 100% cotton, slightly Western looking shirt. But if you aren't into denim, maybe try a white long sleeve button down or traditional man's Oxford as a substitute. Or if you're in cooler weather, maybe you want a true Shacket. I did show one in my last Walmart video in a putty pink that I have loved wearing. So I'll be sure to link that one below as well for another idea for this foundation piece in your closet. And I just love a denim on denim look, that Canadian tuxedo, but I know that's not for everybody. I loved pairing it with the tonal companion in the straight leg jeans with a pop of color on my shoes, but changing it up completely with the white denim and then also with the darker wide leg. The shirt looks totally different, you guys. Just changing up some of the accessories or how the top was worn really made it look like completely different styles. All right, and up next I have this pink heathered crew neck. This is a soft tri-blend made up of organic cotton, recycled polyester, and rayon. It has a soft, lightweight feel, and it does come in 8 colors, including this pink. All of the colors, by the way, are totally wearable, so no matter what your wardrobe palette is this season, you can find one of these $12, yes, $12 tees that will probably work for you. I'm also wearing this in my normal size medium. With the straight legs, I really loved the Gladiator type sandal for a strappy look to add a little drama to this basic style tee, but of course you could throw it on with a pair of sneakers too for just an easy casual styling. Now these white crop jeans feel like a medium weight denim. They are not see-through, which is always important when trying to wear white. These are 98% organic cotton with a little spandex, but they will definitely keep their shape. I am wearing it in my normal size 6. Again, if a crop style isn't your jam, opt instead for a long trouser, a white mini skirt, or some other kind of colored pant. And it's a can't miss in the summer with a light colored tee and your favorite denim shorts, a pair of sneakers, but I really loved this look with the denim shirt tied, kind of an open front style. This would also look great with some long chains and a retro sandal. And although I love the look of darker denim with this heather lived-in look, you could even try a jogger with the same style. I would 100% wear this same top with sweatpants in the fall and winter months and add just my favorite zip up. This really is a year-round wear. For now, I would probably opt for that creamy cardigan with the feminine pink, but as the summer goes on, I'm sure it's gonna be a t-shirt, shorts with a pair of flip-flops for me in this heat. As you can see, these short sleeve tees become a 12-month wear depending just on how you style them. Okay, woohoo! We're about halfway done with these outfits. Now let's talk loungewear. This blue sweatshirt has the perfect classic fit. They also had this in a few other neutrals, including a navy that I loved, and a pink that I showed in a previous video with the matching sweatpants. pants. Now this works really easily with any kind of pant because of the retro fit. It's not too oversized like a lot of styles that we're seeing in sweats right now. I think that's why this keeps selling out, and it fits true to size. I'm wearing it in a medium. And it's gonna look great this summer with shorts, or even now being able to wear it out on cooler mornings, but then be able to wrap it around my waist as the day heats up. Also with just my favorite pair of sneakers. I think a basic white tee looks terrific with the blue, and probably more than any other outfit right now, a long sleeve that can easily convert into a shorter style is something I know I will be wearing. Okay, and y'all, do not sleep on the versatility of a neutral dress or skirt. Whether I wear it dressed down with sneakers or sandals, or I throw it on with a blazer at the office with a high heel, you really can add a lot of mileage just adding one piece into your existing wardrobe. This dress is only $28 and it has the perfect midi length. I loved it so much that I just ordered it in the new duck green color, which is kind of the spring version of an olive, and even though it has some color to it, it's a great neutral. I could probably wear a version of this dress just about anywhere this summer. Next up, this wardrobe basic in black that is only $14. It has a terrific fit, and black is not its only style. Especially this summer, maybe you want to choose one of the other 6 colors like bone, rose, or even the striped tee. Now stripes can be just as neutral as a solid, especially if you keep the color palette to 2, and preferably if you look for thin horizontal lines instead of just chunks of color. This is 97% organic cotton and 4% spandex. It's not oversized, and it's just great for tucking into pants like these wide leg crop jeans. It also would look great with a trouser for an all black look. But I think nothing looks as classic sometimes as just a black and white look. So I'm wearing this top with white in my belt bag, also with these new Walmart braided sandals in black. It has this natural color as well that really works for an everyday look. And it's such a great basic to have completely different looks with jeans. You could either combo the same looks with a black tank or another neutral color. These are looks that I also think a stripe would really shine if you like a little pattern. And yes, more white and black looks. Can y'all tell how much I love this combo? I could easily dress this up with a white pant for the office, or you can just keep it casual like I'm showing it here. And light wash denim with black just looks completely different than the darker wash I just showed. It definitely has a more relaxed, casual feel, even in the shorts. These are a classic straight fit with 98% organic cotton and 2% spandex. They have a high-rise waist, which makes them perfect if you want to pair it with some crop tops as well. And they do have a little give, so go ahead and order your normal size. They also have a little roll cuff, which adds to the casual feel of these shorts. Now, some of these styles are pickup only or in-store only, so I'll make sure to put some of my other favorites in the description box, including the best short denim skirt for $20 that I found. Next, I have this blue V-neck that is a great fitting tee. I always prefer a V neckline if I can. I just think it's a lot more flattering for most women. And this one is a bit more oversized than the white tee that I showed earlier. So if you're looking for a more relaxed fit, this could be it. Now, these dark denim wide leg jeans are fast becoming some of my favorites. They are similar to another pair that I've shown that I'm also actually wearing today that does have the utility pocket component. However, these are a little easier to dress up if that's what you're going for. Now, I've threaded this blue throughout the video, and I've been able to style it with so much. With these white shorts, I chose all different white shoes to change it up, but still kind of keep it easy. And did I mention this is only $12? It is organic cotton recycled cotton blend that does have a comfortable fit. It's a bit slouchy, and it has a little bit longer of a sleeve than the other short sleeve styles. And of course, with this jeans, the blue looks awesome, but honestly, this is a no-brainer look. It also comes in about 7 colors, including some brighter colors if you want to change things up. And I think the white crisscross sandals with the white pants and blue adds a lot of spring vibes. This fit on the pant really elevates this from just your basic V-neck. And with the nice wide neckline, this is such an effortless style. This is a fresh take on just your basic tee, and I just loved it with shorts, but this would also look fantastic with joggers or your favorite sweats. Now, you also can wear the cardigan as a standalone shirt. That's another way to add volume in your closet choices. This is an oversized grandpa type of cardigan, and it is the perfect choice for throwing it off your arm, wearing it with a tank underneath this spring. I just loved the cream color, especially with white bottoms, but they also have a blue cardigan that ties back to a lot of the blue that I have going on in this video, as well as a dusty pink that I might have to pick up before it's too late. And of course, you can pair it with all the pants I've shown too. This line at Walmart was meant for interchangeability, and it has really met the challenge in my opinion. I also wore this cardigan cardigan all weekend long when I went on a recent road trip, and I loved it. And lastly, this pink top with Flutter sleeves from Free Assembly. I'm pairing it with my light wash denim and white Gladiator sandals just to make it a little bit more feminine, but it also comes in a few other colors. I was really into, though, this more washed out pink, but I think you could really pair it with anything that you would normally wear taupe with, but this color really shines, in my opinion, with white, and the dainty flutter of the sleeves really are adorable, and the side slits also make it perfect if you want to do a front tuck or a half tuck. You also could just leave it untucked. It is 100% organic cotton, and it looks great with sneakers or sandals. It is a simple scoop neckline that looks easy breezy, but it isn't a thin fabrication. I would get your normal size. It's not going to have much give on this because it's 100% cotton. And again, I'm going to show it with those black pants to let you see how versatile the color of the top really is. This is also another great top for the office. This color even manages to look soft with the light wash shorts, and it still is keeping the feminine vibe. And of course, I also had to throw it on with those wide leg white pants. I can easily see this pink becoming a wardrobe staple color. Okay, wow, we made it to the end. I wasn't sure. I hope you guys got some inspiration on how you can build your own wardrobe and how versatile these Walmart pieces are. Thank you so much for watching today, and thank you Walmart again for sponsoring today's video. I will see y'all in the next one.